Welcome back to our channel. This is channel PikiDelivery. So in this lesson I'm going to show you how to modify an existing flyer using Adobe Photoshop. So you need to download or grab any flyer I want to modify. So in this case I want to modify this Tyler's image and put some different things here, or modify the text inside this flyer. So this is easy, guys. So first of all, I want to get rid of this logo. You can see here. So to get rid of this logo, you select this rectangle tool and you cover up this logo. Then after you have covered up this logo, you may change this color by selecting the far bottom right here and do a color picker, then select the same color inside our flyer, then click OK. So as you can see, we have get rid of this logo which was here, and also want to remove this phone number. Okay, so to remove this phone number, also select the rectangle tool here and to change color by double tap on this, then so double tap here to select color picker and select the same color also, then you get rid of this phone number. Okay, so want to change also the text here to put our name. So let's also get rid of this floor here. Okay, we put our company name here. Okay, then select OK. After that, let's first by adding our company name here. Okay. Then we select this text tool. Then after that, we select this text tool. We write in information. I want to write PikiDelivery. Okay, then it and select you job channel. This on name or logo want to use. Then for the PikiDelivery, select this and change our font. So to change our font style here, size is select this, you go on this top, then put the drop down and you may change to any pixel you want. So let's go with this case. Then also what color you think is the best here, guys? Is quite best. Okay, then for YouTube channel I'll leave it as it is. So this thing I want to modify it. I want it to be bigger enough, and also I want to add some blending options here. So select this one, then you want to start with the outer glow. Okay, then drop the shadow. After I drop the shadow, let's add some distance. Let's go with, go with this one, then let's do some spread. Okay, and size. Go with this. Okay, then after that, let's add some stroke. No, I don't know which guys you may like, but this one may be good for me. Then I click OK. Then after that, want to add a phone number. So you may add for font size of our own choice. Let me add like 48 pixels. Then phone number, just add a random one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And also, as you can see here, guys, you may find that we are having this large icon. I want to add also an email. To add also an email, I want to select this and change its size. So to select this, I may use this. If I do this, you may use this rectangular marquee tool. So then you select this one. So after you select this one, you press Ctrl Shift then C to copy this one. Then you do Ctrl Shift V to add another layer of it. After you have added another layer of it, okay, want to rub this thing, okay, then you get rid of it, then you put this color, then you add this one on top so that it can be visible. Then you press Command T, Control T to transform text. So I want to move it to be a smaller one because I want to occupy a small space, not a larger one. Then you use some arrows to move this icon, okay. Then you save. Then after you have saved, want to go and let's search for an email, okay. To search for an email, we go here and let me just go incognito and say email icon. Yeah. Want to add an email icon. Let's go with this one, top black circular one. Yeah, we need it to be transparent. Yeah, let me go with this one. Then you save it on desktop. Yeah, just like this. Okay. Then want to paste it inside our project. This email. Then want it to be here. Our email icon. Then we tick it so that it can be added to our project. To change also the size, say Command T, Control T to transform the text. So I want to change the size. Then after that, select so that then we add our email. Email is delivery up Gmail. Okay, want to change also the size, font size of our email. Then also for this phone number, I want to change it also to that. It's just like this. This is for phone dialer name. Then I want to align it sender and want to make it perfect, guys, so that it can look nice. As you can see, since on this bottom we are using a black icon, want to use also the text to be black. So on this top you can see our icon is not a black, it is a yellowish color. So I want to change the color of this one also to be the same as icon. Then select our color picker, then select the same color with this one, okay guys, so that it may look like a very stylish one. Then as you can see here, we're able to modify this. Let's see the design, how it looks. Okay, if you want to put like an image on this thing, okay, you may select this, not rectangular 2, this one select ellipse 2, just like this. Then you want to select a circular, just like this one. Then we move it right on top here. Then we want to select to add an image of ours so that we can put our image inside this project. Want to add this image. Okay, want this image to be on top of our thing here. Okay, then we transform the image so that you can change the size of it. Okay, edit here. Before doing that, want to see where is this our ellipse shape here. Want to edit right below the image, just like this. Then we select the image to be on this tab. Then we right click on this image and click create clipping marks. As you can see, then as you can see, I've added my image on this flyer. Okay guys, this is just as simple as that. This is how we do the modifying of flyer in any business flyer. So in another lesson I want to show you the basic and do some more things with Adobe Photoshop. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope for you can subscribe to my channel and also like the video and share with your friends so that you can help our channel to grow bigger. See you guys